Hey people, so right here on my lap is this little girl. Her name is Happy, and the thing is, that's what it's always a bit tough to record and you know, generally do a recording and have this little girl. But she's among the most affectionate rabbits I've seen, and honestly, yeah, this little girl. There's a very sad story that apparently she was. I mean, she was rescued from a butcher shop, and see, she's licking me. And the butcher was about to just apparently she had even injured her foot because that butcher had his knife, but she kind of jumped and came onto the feet of one of the people who finally rescued her, and they wrote about her on this group. So I'm very grateful to have so that's her. Now she's with me and she's doing well, and I'm just so grateful. Yeah, so like they say, right, even animals have a destiny. So she and me like to chill like this. So truly, I'm just thank you so much. His name was Vinod, the person who rescued her, and I'm just so grateful to be able to be given the privilege to look after her today. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.